Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. Welcome back to part 3 of our 3-part series on this F30 M Sport conversion, where we're going to finish it off with side skirts. Now this process is actually pretty easy and you don't even need to jack up your car. Basically, there are a series of T30 plastic screws that hold this in. So let me take one out and I'll show you what they look like. So here's a look at what the screws look like. Again, they are just plastic. They're T30 and there's a ton of them. So at this time, just work your way down and remove all of these. Okay, 10 of these later and we have them all removed. Now what you want to do is you want to unclip the side skirt. So to do this, just grab on this side here, very carefully pull outwards. And it'll start to unclip. Just work your way across. There we go. All right, then you can set this to the side. Now what you can do is take your new side skirt, line up one end, and just carefully start to work it in. And just make sure your one end is lined up. Okay. Now when you're installing the side skirt, you want to make sure that this underbody protection is on the outside and the side skirt is on the inside. So if you don't have it like that, just it's very simple, just run your hand along and then that'll make sure that everything is in the right place. Now what you can do is just go along, just clip everything in place. Then once you have everything clipped in, you can go back and reinstall all of these plastic screws. What I like to do is I like to press them in by hand and then use my ratchet, just give it a couple extra turns. Once you finish putting in all of those screws and making sure that all of those clips are nice and tight, do the exact same thing on the other side. Once again, this is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at Kies Motorsports for all of your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Once again, my name is Brian. This M Sport is done, and have a great day.